Action verb vocabulary. Cat stuck in the tree.
Do you hear anything?
What?
Shh! Listen!
It may be a kitten. It seems that kitten is scared.
He may be in a trap or stuck somewhere. Mew, mew. Listen!
This tree? Let's take a look.
Look!
Oh my God!
What should we do now? Should I call 911 or the fire department?
Their mission is to save human lives and property.
So what should we do? I cannot leave him alone there. He can be very scared, hungry, and thirsty.
We should call someone else to help.
I will call my brother Joe to come.
Hey, where is the kitten?
It's around 10 feet up in the tree.
Oh, it's a bit hard.
Yes, I know. That is the reason I need your help.
Do you have a ladder? Ladder? I think I have one in the garage. Let me bring it for you.
Will the ladder reach the top of the tree?
Yes, it will. Lean it against the tree trunk. OMG, one of the steps on the ladder is broken. No worries. It's the step near the bottom. I am climbing up the ladder and taking him down. Be careful. Hello, my buddy. Why are you here? Oh, okay. Calm down, my buddy. I am here to help you. Hey, I cannot touch him. You should slow down. He is scared.
You should wear gloves in case he can scratch you.
Okay, throw them to me. Catcha. Okay, little boy, I just want to help you. Calm down.
Try to lure him toward you by shaking the bottle.
Pet him on the head. Okay, it works. Good boy. I will bring you home.
Climb down.
Be careful. Remember, there is one missing step. Yes, I know. Whose is the kitten? I will ask the neighbors around. If not, I can adopt him. A normal day. Honey, can you help me with something? Yes. What can I help you with? Can you wash these tomatoes? Sure. Where is Alex? He is sleeping, I guess. What time is it? Let me take a look. Oh, it's 7:30 already. He will be late for school if he still sleeps. Alex, wake up.
Mommy, don't shout like this. I got up 15 minutes ago.
What did you do at that time?
Oh, I did some personal things. brush my teeth, wash my face. I have a shower as well.
Good boy.
What are you cooking, Mom?
I am making sandwiches, cheese sandwiches, your favorite thing.
Perfect. You are a star. What are you doing, Dad?
I am washing these tomatoes. Your mom really loves them.
Can I make the table now?
Sure. I am going to finish in 5 minutes.
Cool.
Do you want to drink some milk, boy?
Yes, a little. I don't want to be too full. I have to walk to school today.
Where is your bicycle?
Johnny borrowed mine yesterday. Because of the rain, he couldn't give it back to me yesterday evening.
Honey, today afternoon I have a table tennis match with my colleagues. So I will come home a bit late. Can you help me to water those flowers? Where is your watering can? In the garage, under the table. Okay. Do you go jogging this afternoon with Johnny?
As usual, Mom. We are going to the park near Johnny's house.
Okay. Don't come home late. It will be dangerous.
Bon appetit!